Hello everyone, this is Rubel from Bfix. So today what I'm going to do, I am going to fix my Xiaomi vacuum cleaner. So my Xiaomi vacuum cleaner has an issue. Issue is it is a Xiaomi vacuum cleaner G1, which is supposed to have mop function and vacuum function, but unfortunately on my vacuum cleaner the mop function is disabled now. So I suspect it has something to do with the sensor, because as you can see I have changed this um, mop device just recently, so it has the good sensor, the magnet, so it is supposed to work, but unfortunately it's still not working. So what I will do, let me check this one at least. So what I will do, I'll show you. So first of all, so to fix this I suspect it's a sensor issue, so I got a sensor from AliExpress. So now I'm planning to add replace the sensor. So before that I need to open it. So here what I'll do, I'll check first. I think I have to check anyway. So before that, you can see in here, okay, so here here, okay, it's taking some time. So you can see everything is okay. It's just there is mop function, is water level mop function is disabled. Okay, so that means the mop functionality is disabled. My sensor is not working, so I'm planning to basically change the sensor. Okay, let's do. So now I will show you that the mop function is working or not. Okay, so here you go. Oh, I have another way. Alexa, turn on the vacuum. So it is paired with the Alexa. So well, we started. We'll see does it moving or not. So it's saying, okay, it's saying it's water. Okay. Well, so what happened? It looks like it's. There you go. Okay. Really does. There you go. If you're supposed to say something, right? You unplug it. There's nothing, right? So there is a sensor here. I think it is a sensor. Anyway, I will check. Okay. First of all, so to fix this issue, I'm really new on this one. So to fix this issue, I think what I need to do, first of all, I'll check this one. Yes, so there the magnet is here, and then you need to go here to unplug it. You need to.
Okay, and then there's lots of screws all over. I need to unplug all the screws. So here I go. Start doing decluttering. And I'm going to unplug the window. Right. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now I need to open that one. I think this will work. Not ready. So which one? I guess the small one. I think it's still ready. Yes. So there you go. Alright, so oh, it's more. My wife's hair all over the place. So she is. I have to clean it up. I don't have time really. But now we can start it. So I think that's it. Let me check out. Yes. So yeah, white always more. This is very dusty. I have to clean it up this time. I'll do it. So, and there's lots of water. Yeah. This is dangerous. So the first, let's go first. Oh, it's more. Yes. Anyway, I'll clean it out. But first, what I need to do, you must need to unplug the battery. Okay? That is the first step you do. Unplug it. Okay, there you go. sometimes I can be a little bit tricky. So the battery is single thing. Alright. Now, the sensor is supposed to be here, because I think it's a sensor here or no. Let me check though, if the sensor is supposed to be. Yes, exactly here. Alright, so what do I do? I think we need to pull out the battery and water cable. I don't want to do it, but I don't have any option ready, so I have to work. This is very tough, like it is working, but there's no option, I have to work. So back around. Okay, so that's that. I'll do a very good cleaning. I think this is already corrupted in places. I need to clean it out again. It's milk sand, so now I'll need to clean it anyway. That's it. That was need to put some oil, probably. I hope you'll be the same what I'm doing. Then I'm going to retry. You'll be the same what I'm doing. Not bad, actually. Yeah. Okay, so now let's make another bit. Alright. More than I'm ready. Alright guys, let's... there's a little bit of screw, I think. Yes. Does it work? I don't know. Let me check. Yes, it works. Works already. Anyway. It seems like last time I did this one, I did not like force it well, I just made it angle like easy. So now this time I'm having it angle better. So on my work, my voice becomes a little bit slow because my concentration is completely on the device or whatever. So that's it. I think this is the screw that I goes. Yeah, I think this part is good. Now the other goes. Okay, yes. And this screws. Okay. Yes, so let's go. Okay, I guess that's it then. Right. Still screw. I don't think so. I don't know how it needs to go, but then I need to go. Okay, here you go. Now I should. Still screw. I don't think so. I don't know how it needs to go, but then I need to go. Okay, here you go. Now it should come out easily, easy peasy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of the screws are in, I'll try. There's any other screw? Not really. Okay, here you go. So here you go. The sensor part came out well. There are lots of sensors, as you can see. Yep. Still there is some screw somewhere. There is screw somewhere. Why? Where there is some screw?
I don't think there is any screw. So I need to be very, very careful because here you can see there is a part where it is basically connected with the board. So I need to be very careful whatever I do not to okay what I have to look for is the sensor unit, right? And the sensor unit, where is the sensor unit? It is let me think where it the sensor unit really is. Anyway, let me pull out this one first. Okay. Okay. Not so fast, not so this. I think I found it. Yes, here. So the sensor unit is here. Okay. Alright. That does mean a problem for me. Anyway, let's do it. Lots of dust and okay, I'll clean it for sure this time around. I'll clean it well. I'll do a cleanup. No, so that is dangerous. I should not do it. Holy smoke. Anyway, I'm not going to do it. So that's how who cares? Anyway, let's do the task that I was supposed to do. So here the sensor is here. So what I need to do, I need to open this guy out to access the sensor. I think yep. Is there any other screw? Can you guys see it? I don't see any. Oh, here. Okay. Okay, so this is my new sensor. Now see. I'll not salvage any of them because I think when it is damaged, it is damaged. So I'll certainly replace the whole stack because that's how it should be, you know. You don't like yes. So the same thing. Alright, here you go. Okay, so that's what it is. Anyway, let me do it. I'll check later on. Is there any way I can salvage? But for now, no salvage. This is a very complex tech anyway. So you can see how the wires are really put in together. I don't break anything. Okay, so first let me check. Yep, where are you, baby? And then I need my friendly tool. Not really this one, I guess this one. So this one is like glued to the system very tightly, very hard to like just I just move this on to make it easier for me. Damn it. So I'm not sure really. Can I pull it out? It's supposed to. Holy smoke. Yes, so I have to go slowly here. Damn. I'm really not sure how I'm going to put that on together really. This one is corroded. Damn. You can see that one is kind of corroded here, so we cannot use it. This one is also seems a little bit bad, but not that corroded. Anyway, I will look for this circuit later on if I can find a replacement or whatever. But for now, this one seems corroded. Can I open it? Don't know really. If I can open it, then I don't want to replace the whole thing, no. That happened one night suddenly, like I guess I should not take any chances for now. I'm good with just replacing the whole thing. That is a mess. I don't think you guys can see it really clearly. I'm so sorry. Here you go. So I remove this part, but here it's a mess really. Alright, there you go. I'm just trying to pull out this guy somehow without breaking or pulling. Anyway, I guess so. Always use safe tool, okay? Because this is a very complex material, as you can see. So if broken, you have to change the whole board really, and that one I don't want to do. Okay, so here we go. I'm doing very carefully. Still, still, I'm really not sure. Will I be able to pull this guy away or not? This is a mess really. I can try to pull out this one, but here is. So I need to somehow put the wire here. So I need to unscrew those. There are like three screws that I need to unscrew, and then I need to put the wire just below this sensor um, um, guard. There's a kind of, I guess it's an infrared sensor which used to um, detect the obstacle in front. So I'm just removing this one for now. Okay, it's very critical, very like, yes. So I pulled it out now. Okay, now the wire is a little bit free. Easily I just pull it out. Okay, that's it. I will throw away my other cable. I'm not doing anything with that one. This is my new replacement cable that I bought from AliExpress. I will share the link on the YouTube summary or description of my video so that you guys can get this from AliExpress if your mop basically stopped working. Most of the time that is the case. So I have seen lots of like tons of thousands of posts asking for that mop is not working, suddenly stop, it disabled on the application. That is the only way. Now you can see I just put the ribbon, the plug on the motherboard of this device, and I'm just trying to make it a little bit tight with my this rubber tool. Now I need to put the cable through this little harness thing there is. Before that I need to put the water pump. Okay, I put the water pump now. Let me put the cable below this water pump tubes. These tubes are very sensitive, so be careful. If there is any kind of leak, then you are done for. It will really make everything. It will create short circuit inside if the water is leaking somewhere. Now, let me check what should I do. This part is very critical. Okay, so why it is critical, you can see there are like very tight glue in there. Okay, now this black glue right there, I don't have the glue on my sensor that I bought, so I'll have to make some way to put the mop um, card detection sensor on the board somehow. Okay, so I will figure it out, but before that let me clean out a bit. And there's lots of dust on this device, and I can see some water inside, which is very dangerous. I think that was the reason that my sensor got burned. So Okay, so I need to clean out the water a little bit, like there were some kind of uh, corrosion going on in there. I don't know how, but there are like corrosion, so I need to clean out those corrosion. I will clean it out. I guess that's why the sensor basically went down. Okay, so um, let me get an uh, wet wipes, and before that let me clean the brush didn't work, looks like. Okay, okay, let me check. Okay, so I need to be very careful. Anyway, okay, so I have the white wipes now. My wife gave it to me. She's very kind enough to give me the white wipes. Please subscribe at least for that one, people. She's helping us. Okay, so now let me clean out this all of those dust and then water stress or whatever in there. I don't know. So I need to clean it out. Um, it will be like just like new. Okay, here you go. Okay, as I'm on it, I like to clean out everything. I don't like to put dust. Okay, so here, yeah, okay, here I need to be very careful because the water mops water basically goes from this hole. Now the sensor, let me pull the sensor through the harness somehow. Okay, all right, all right. So that is going okay. Okay, okay, the cable, I just put in the cable. Okay, the water pump cable is in. Now, I guess that's good. What I'll do, I will, well, here somehow I have to uh, do the sensor cable. Okay, yeah, okay, just below this water pump. I have to pull out the water pump's tubes, then put the I guess as I said, there is no glue to hold on. You can see this black kind of tar. This tar is not available in my I don't have the tar, so I have to somehow like attach this thing on uh, this rectangular place of black tar. Let me see how I can do this. I'm pushing it probably. Cannot, don't push like too hard, because if you push it too hard, there is some circuits and there is some diodes. They might get like, because this is kind of like an, they call it Hall sensor. Okay, so that is used to detect if the guards are on or not. Okay, so just be careful here. Okay, all right, right. Just okay. I think I'm doing well. Anyway, that is good, at least for now. All right, here you go. Okay. Right. Now the other sensor is for this. The second sensor. This sensor is for the dust and water tank detection. So that needs to be in place. I think that is the place. Okay, yes. Now it's perfect. Only trouble is this the sensor for detecting the moped. Moped is okay. I guess that's alright. I'm pushing it. Okay, there's no screw, nothing. Okay, let me do. Okay, somehow it stays there. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, okay, I have to. This is terrible. Anyway, no worry, I will figure it out. Just give me a moment. Probably you guys could not see due to my hands, but it's really trouble. here. Okay, I will put this guy here somehow. Let me do it. Okay, here you go. I need to clean it up. This is for these vacuum motors, I think. It is basically for the exhaust fans, which basically uses a vacuum cleaner real pump to pull out all of the dust through the holes. So I need to be very careful, clean it out a little bit well, and then just plug it on the vacuum with this fan. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, here you go. I put it carefully. Okay, sensor are in place, everything in place. Fantastic. So I need to do okay. Okay, I guess that's all right. Okay, all right. Now I need the screw. Yes, yes, all right. All right, that is good. Okay, here you go. The screw. How is the screw? Okay, I'm not sure really. Okay, putting the screw somehow. Yes. Okay, let's do it. Which screw already? I forgot. Anyway, press jack. Which one? That's the one. Yes, this is the one. Anyway, let's do it. Okay. Uh, okay, it's not gripping. I don't know why. Seems like it's a correct screw or no, maybe. This is very important. If I cannot isolate all of the holes, the vacuum will not be able to like pull all of the air and suck the air somehow. Um, I'm really not sure what screw. Okay, probably that one. Let me. Okay, this one. Okay, let me try it out. Probably that is the one. Maybe that is not the one. Just to make sure that I'm on the correct one, I'm basically trying. Probably it is the one. Okay, let's see. Or may not be. Alright, here you go. Okay. Okay, so the screw is done. Now, um, okay, I think everything is in place. I just need to put another screw to hold the uh, sensor for the Mm, dust and water tank detection using this interesting screw. Here you go. And also the pipes, water pipes. Okay, okay, nice in place. Okay, here you go. Alright, good, very good. So this is done, yes, for now. Now I need to put the sensor harness for the collision detection or the obstructor detection in place. Let me put it. Okay, okay. I'm putting it correctly, I hope. Now the 3 screw I have. Alright. Okay, now that I see it, I think the screw is wrong. The screw that I plugged in. I should pull out the screw and actually use step 2 screw. My goodness, I did the wrong. I'm sorry. So let me pull this 2 screw ready. That are the correct one. Okay, here you go. I'm putting it back. Alright, now it's tight. See? That is the correct one, no? The correct one works. And this is tight now. Okay, so I was wrong. See? So that is still wrong. I think that is wrong. Okay, that is the correct one. Anyway. So you need to be very careful, okay? If you put like a very loose screw, then you are in trouble because this works with the vacuum. The main exhaust. If it doesn't work, then your vacuum cleaner will not be able to suck any dust. Okay. So I think that's all right now, and everything is in place. All right. Let me put back all of the equipment. Let me
for all of the equipment. I think we're good. We're done. Now the sensor. I need to put all of the screw in here in place for the collision detection sensor. Yeah, one minute. I'll just. Okay, I think I'm doing okay. Dust. Alright. Seems all okay. Okay, I'm just checking this water pump harness. The in valve, somehow I got it open out. And then there's still some dust. I don't like dust. I have to clean them up. I'll do it probably. Okay, let me clean out all of the spot a little bit more. Like this. Okay, so far I don't see any other collision in any other places. I guess that's alright. We'll just finish it, plug it soon, I guess. But before that, let me clean out a little bit more. I think you guys don't want to. But it's a good thing. You see like how I'm cleaning the thing and making it a little bit better. Okay, I guess that's alright for now. Everything is okay. All of the sensor in place. Water pump is in place. My faulty sensor, I'm putting it back. Okay, I guess that's alright. And then I'm also putting something. Now I need to put, like, probably that you can see it. So it's more. Can you see it? Yes, now I think you can see it a little bit better. Sorry. With that, now I will put back. Oh no, so much collision, so much dust. Let me clean it out a little bit. Sorry about that. There you go. Okay, now you see how I clean it. I think it's the water. Somehow it leaked, or probably this vacuum cleaner went to some water replace somewhere, and it's basically the water basically went into the system, and that's why I think that's why my sensor basically probably burned out for some reason. I guess that is what. But now let me clean it out. Okay, so that next time we don't have any kind of trouble. Yes. Okay, here you go. Yes. That's alright. Just cleaning out nicely. Okay, a little bit extra push. I guess we are good. There you go. Yes, yes. Okay, here you go. Okay, and I should do a little bit more clean up. It's not done yet. Holy smoke, so much dust, so much corrosion. Okay, I'm cleaning out it well. You guys also should learn how to clean this thing now. Anyway, there should not be any dust. Okay, any kind of dust is a problem for next time. So I'm just trying to clean out every single one of them. Okay, hopefully I'll be good. Okay, yes, nicely cleaned. Okay, so that to wheel part. Okay, you can see, and this middle one, the rectangular part is basically the bigger part is basically for the main brush. Let me clean out a little more. Okay, some power. Yes, okay, nice and clean, nice and clean, nice and clean. Done, done, done. Okay, so now here. Okay, the cleaning is a very, very fun and interesting thing to do. Your heart will heal, your soul will heal. You see this thing? It's very, very amazing, interesting. Okay, how nice it is to look at the clean thing now. Here you go, a little bit more straightforward. I guess we are good to get done. Nearly. Okay, here you go. Good to go. Alright, here you go. Okay. Few more extra effort, I guess. Nearly cleaned. Nearly, okay. Still a few more scratches. Let me try it out with my brush. Okay, it's cleaning it well. Okay, yes, now it's much more clean. And there's a wheel part. In some of my other video, I'll try to clean out the wheel. That will be my another video. That will be fun. Okay, yes. That's alright, that's fine. We're cleaning out everything pretty well. Nice and clean. I'm proud that I can clean that well. Okay, that's good, really good. It's now a little bit much clean and white. Okay, I think now I'm done. I'll be putting every parts all together now. Let me put back my main thing. Okay, still some dust. I don't feel like I want to clean them. But for now, let's leave it.
Okay, so let's do it. First, I need to put the power on and off button and the Wi-Fi sensor, whatever it is we have. Let me do it. And still sensor dust I want to clean. Oh, right. So this is the main brush motor. Okay, so this is the main brush motor. I think it's somehow there's some burn mark on it. I don't know why, because it's spin probably very fast. As a result, some dust or dirt pointing in, and I have a replacement, but right now I don't want to replace it. I guess for now it's okay, whatever brush we have. I'll have a look on this one later on sometime. Okay, after that, I had an, let me check all of the joints. So I have an issue last time. So the main brush motor was like running all the time continuously. I fixed it. There is an U17 and U18, two diodes that you need to basically change. It's a 3-pin diode, so you need to change those. I changed it. It is very, very small. I think it's U17 and U18, and it fixed the main brush motor spinning. So what was happening when I put it in charge? It was still spinning the main brush motor. When because those diode was short circuit, I put them in place. There is U17 and U18 diode, and it got fixed. It's a new one. I'm not sure whether you can see it or not.
Probably you cannot. But if you probably zoom it in, probably you can see the. Too much dust. Too much. But it's alright. We'll clean it up anyway. And then put it back in place, I guess. Okay. Okay, let's get started. I guess. There you go. Okay. Clean it out on the main brush, and then we do brush. Okay, main brush is in place. Okay, let's see what we can do. Alright, okay, done. Okay, long press to power it on. Yes, it's powered on. I guess now is the time to check, like, is everything does everything works or not? I guess. So, and we also have to check, like, kind of okay, there's another way to check. Looks like it's making orange light. That means no vacuum cleaner. If the vacuum cleaner is, that means the sensor is working. Okay, so if the vacuum cleaner is in, this orange light will be like white, I guess. So let's see what happened. I'm waiting. Well, we'll see how the whole thing works. Really interesting, right? So okay, let me pull out, let me do something about it. Okay, I guess there is just only one way to check does it work or not. Orange light is good, sensor is working. I will let me bring the water tank with water and then check it out. Okay, here I bought my water tank now with water, so I'll put it and then I'll check. So this is important. Okay, here you go. Let me clean it a little bit more, and after that I'll just put the water tank and dust bin inside. Okay, here you go. Oh, yes, I put it. If the light colors turn white, then it should be like kind of working, but it did not say anything. Okay, because I think the audio is disabled. Yeah, okay, so it is white. That means it's working. That is fine. That is really good, really good. Now I need to put the mop pad holder back. Oh, not this way, sorry. This is the front. I should put it in this side, back side. Okay, so here you go. Let me see if the lights turn off. That means it's done. Yes, so you can see the lights is turned off. That means it's okay. So it's ready. It's not orange, everything is fine. Let me pull out again. It's not saying anything. I think audio is disabled. I put it back. It's white again. Okay, I can now. I will check it. Does it really work? I will show the video later on. But that's the gist. I'm just trying with. Does it mop with water? Alright, I'm trying it. There is another way to show it to you. I have the mobile app. Initially at the beginning of the video on the mobile app, the water tank and mop function was disabled, right? So now what I will do, I will just open my mobile, bring my mobile and show it to you. There you go. My case. That's done. I should pull out the. There you go. Yes. Oh yes. Yes. It works. It was my first time. I guess you can see that is perfect. It's working. Okay, so that's it done. Please make sure to like and subscribe. I will end the other video. Here my move function is enabled now, so seems like I have fixed it. This guy is mopping. Anyway, take care everyone. Bye bye.